I'm headed to the sizzling hot River North neighborhood, to a location with quick expressway access that's a short walk from great dining and nightlife, the fabulous Riverwalk, and the CTA Brown and Purple Line stop at theMART, for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments at the new, high-amenity, pet-friendly 3Eleven. 3Eleven has a rooftop pool deck with a large flat-panel TV, hammocks, grilling areas, fire pits, and sweeping panoramic views of the skyline. The rooftop fitness center has a yoga studio, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a variety of strength training and cardio equipment. 311's rooftop also features a spacious resident lounge with a fully equipped demonstration kitchen. There's 24/7 concierge service in the colorful lobby. It's a cold and cloudy day, and I'm in the River North neighborhood, standing on a balcony at the 311 apartment tower. Stepping into an attractively furnished living dining kitchen. There's an efficient one-wall kitchen, stainless steel appliance package. We'll come back to that. Looking out at that balcony and looking at a nice cozy seating nook just off the balcony. When you get to the bedroom, it's furnished with nightstands, queen-size bed, floor-to-ceiling windows looking out to the east. There are roller blinds. It's blonde plank flooring throughout the apartment. Bedroom has a second flat panel TV. Kitchen has gray lacquer look cabinetry, French door refrigerator, a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. There's a wide farm-style sink, under cabinet lighting, and it's Sweet Home Chicago, so it's set up with all the countertop appliances that you're going to want to feel right at home. Cookware, cutlery, glassware, you name it, it's going to be here. And there's a welcoming bag of goodies to greet you. Brushed concrete ceilings and the exposed concrete columns give you a bit of a loft aesthetic here when you add in the 2 walls of windows and the high ceilings. Heading back now toward where you would have entered the unit. Full-size stacked washer-dryer behind a louvered door. Utility closet, coat closet, an ironing board, extra light bulbs, folding umbrella, and then off to the left as you would have entered the unit, there's a sleek bath with gray tile, same gray lacquer look cabinetry that you saw in the kitchen, and a deep soaking tub. 311 has a very appealing location, a terrific suite of amenities, and Sweet Home Chicago apartments that are comfortably furnished and ready to move in. Great place to stay for short term or long term. It's a sweet deal.